Everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to cover the XPath by contains functions. So we have a types of XPath in a Selenium WebDriver. So I had already covered for absolute XPath, relative XPath, XPath by attribute, and XPath by text function. So today we are going to learn about XPath by contains functions. Why we are using this one when we are writing this XPath in our application. So coming to the, whenever we come across the partial dynamic element, we go for the contains functions. So here I use the word called as a partial dynamic. Why we like, what is the partial dynamic here means? So for example, think about your Gmail applications. In Gmail application, you have a inbox that will be again you will inbox and it will be containing number of counts. So here inbox is the static text, and whatever you are getting numbers, that means count of the numbers. So that will be called as a dynamic value. So here a part of the text is called as inbox is the static, and other part of the element is called as dynamic. Here we are this is a syntax of XPath by contains functions, the tag name, and then open the bracket and contains and attribute name and attribute value. So one more syntax is called as double forward slash tag name contains text and text value. So example, so this is the example button. Here is the tag name of button and contains. So at type is the attribute name and this is for the attribute value. Same thing over here, button contains text. Okay, text is the attribute name and attribute value. So let me go to the browser. So this is the URL of that. So here I am using the remember me. So we have two words over here. Let me right click on it and go to the inspect. Okay. Now remember me. So here we have the tag name called as label. So okay. Then just in the keyboard you have to press on Control F. Okay. So here we have the tag name called as label, double forward slash. So we have 11 labels are there. Okay. Then open the bracket, write the contains. Okay. Then okay, text. Okay. Then you have to go for the text called as remember me. So I have a text. Only I will take half of the text. Okay. Single quote. Okay. Then close it. See here, you got one of one. Okay. Suppose if you want to take entire things, it will also work. Okay. Let me go to the Eclipse. So I had already written this script and I just remove that. I'm going to remove and just I'm going to add over here. So I'm suggesting you have to refer the previous videos. You will understand how to write the system.set property and launching the empty Chrome browser. Okay, I had already covered. Okay. Now driver dot find element by dot XPath. So let me go to the, I am just copying this XPath. So I'll just add this. I'll perform the operations of click. Let me save this script and then go to the run and run the script. Yeah, now the Chrome browser was started successfully. Now the page is loading. Then it has been clicked over here. Remember me. Okay. Now our XPath is working correct. Okay. Let me go to the Eclipse. So our this one is working fine. Okay. So same thing we have to work on the XPath. Let me I'll show you the one more example. So when we are going to use this, especially when like username is password is when the text is very lengthy, then we have to go for using the text function. Okay. So same thing. I'm going to show you this as well. So here we have three words: use, customs, and domains. Okay, let me go to this and then Control F in your keyboard. So press on that, and now we have a see here we have a, this one tag name is A. Then open the bracket, type the contains TINS. Just I will be taking this URL. I will take only remaining part this. So we have 21 tags over here. See now it is working one of one. So instead of text you can make it as a dot as well. So now also it works. Like that you have to work on the this our text path is working fine. So likewise you have to work on more example on that. You will understand how we are going to use. So yeah, so I have done this one. Kindly subscribe this channel. More videos I will be adding in the upcoming session. Okay, thank you.